Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am going to share a mucus cough remedy. Coughing is a standard way of clearing your throat, viruses and bacteria. The most common cause of a cough is a respiratory tract infection, an upper respiratory tract infection that affects the throat, windpipe and sinuses. Examples are a cold, flu, laryngitis, sinusitis or whooping cough. If you have a lot of mucus in your throat, you have difficulty breathing, have a sore throat, so don't delay it. See our homemade recipe today, which will give you instant relief. You should have these ingredients to prepare this remedy: 15 to 20 almonds with skin, dried dates 6 to 7, freshly squeezed ginger juice 3 tablespoons, turmeric half teaspoon, black salt or regular salt 1/4 teaspoon, water 1½ cup. Method: grind almonds and dried dates, heat water on medium flame, add in ginger juice to the water, simmer. Now add almonds and dates powder and jaggery, simmer for 5 minutes, then add turmeric and black salt, mix for 2 minutes, turn off flame, let it cool, save in a clean dry glass jar. Use according to your symptoms. Keep using until you get relief. Thanks for watching.